Savitri Telecom Services. With the continuous nursing of customer satisfaction through innovative products and superior service, we are one of the leading, fastest growing organization building on our strength for approximately 20 years. With a clear vision to provide the world's best quality, the group started in 1999 as a small business unit dealing in various telecom equipments, now comprised of 4 distinct entities covering 7 verticals, having more than 1600 plus professionals, providing pan-India sales and support networks through branches and channels. India map highlighting all major states or cities where we are working. Savitri Group comprises of 4 business entities viz. Savitri Telecom Services, Savitri Telecom Private Limited, Savitri Techno Industries Limited and Savitri Holding Private Limited. Our mission, vision and values are the DNA of our organization. These commitments drive us forward and touch every business decision. Our mission, vision and values may be illustrated by 3 major questions. What do we do? Customers' purchase decisions are based on factors which include economical, logistical and emotional like long-term relationships also. An excellent illustration of this is a business in our Savitri Group. We are involved in manufacturing and servicing activities employing more than 1600 plus professionals who are from lowest strata of society with an aim of their skill development and development of society as well. How do we do it? Savitri Group has been striving to move ahead in the sphere of business with a clear vision of serving the nation through employment generation, skill development, increasing the productivity and environment protection. For whom do we do it? We define the demographic characteristics of customers who are likely to buy and then define a geographic area in which business can gain a presence. As we grow, we can add new customer groups and expand our geographic focus. We truly believe that vision and mission statements are meant to help people and guide the business, not to lock into a particular direction of earning money only. 3 Group working in 7 verticals. T&M, Technology Solution, providing complete T&M and technology solutions for communication, IT, telecom network, manufacturing. We are the renowned manufacturer of best quality optical fiber cable accessories, fiber optics passive products like joint enclosure, patch cords, connectors and all type of fabrication items like FMS, LIU, RACK, ACDB box, DCDB box, MCB box, panels, etc. Service, repair and calibration. We are providing single window solution for calibration, repair and services of test and measurement instruments and machines. Projects EPC, providing turnkey project solutions, communication, IT, electrical, civil and construction, and OFC, Cooper, network, BTS installation and commissioning of broadband, FTTH, ADSL, CCTV, security and surveillance, fiber characterization, CD, PND, network integration, testing and certification, clock synchronization of networks, cyber security and many more. Operation and maintenance, providing 24/7 maintenance services for telecom and OFC networks. Infrastructure, building OFC networks, FTTH network, IBS, CCTV and surveillances and tower infrastructure. Leasing of telecom product, providing leasing services of various test and measurement instruments and other telecom solutions.